What up guys, it's GWG again with a quick video on how to replace most wheel studs. We got here a 2004 Subaru Forester with drum brakes in the back. Tools needed: safety glasses, 5mm Allen key, a long screwdriver, a heavy hammer, and new studs and lug nuts. Okay, you start by removing the brake shoes and drums. I'll post the link in the description to my drum and shoes replacement video. Once you get the shoes off, get the heavy hammer and just bang that stud out. On this 04 Forester, we have to take, as you can see, this ABS. We gotta push it all the way to the back. So we start with the 5mm, loosen all 4 5mm hex bolts here. Okay, and then just slide it over the ABS sensor here. Slide it to the back. Okay. So now today I'll be changing these two here. I have this one out already, as you can see. And then you get the heavy hammer. Now change the second one. Just bang it. Here you go. Now we get the new studs. Just push it a little bit in so it doesn't spin. Okay, and then you use an open end lug nut to pull the stud back in. I don't have it right now, so I'm just gonna use a big nut as an adapter, and then the lug nut. I'll use here an impact, but if you don't have it, you still can use a ratchet. And you can see it's getting pulled in. Keep going till it touches the hub all the way. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Boom, you got a new stud. It's getting pulled in. Keep going till it touches the hub all the way. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Boom, you got a new stud.